How to lock Facebook profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misner, and today I'll guide you on how you can lock Facebook profile. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. However, you want to make sure that you have updated your application to the latest version, as you know this is the latest option available in the app or by Facebook. So once you're updated, you want to open up Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. You want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings or the gear icon there, and you'll be headed into settings. Under settings here, if you scroll down below, under audience and visibility, you'll be able to see the option that says profile locking at the very top. So you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it says lock your profile. You can see it says only friends will see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full size profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So you want to tap on lock your profile, and once you do so, it'll lock your profile. So this way you can lock your Facebook profile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.